on one of the common problems that we all see in our homes. One thing that bothered me was snoring of my grandfather and many other relatives. Do you know why some people snore in their sleep? Isn't it brain-boggling question? So friends, I, Jaismeen of class 30, will tell you its answer. Snoring happens when we can't move air freely through nose or throat during sleep. This mixed surrounding tissue vibration that produces sound is called snoring sound. People who snore often have too much throat and nasal tissue or